miiska ku soo dhaweynayaa gabar Soomaaliyeed oo af Ingiriiska ugu hadlaysa sida biyaha camal. Sida biyaha marka tiraahdo sida biyaha. Gabadha waxaan filayaa Soomaalida badankood ya inaysan si fiican u garanayn balowla. Caawa waxaan jeclahay inaad caawa kadib aan baran doontaan gabadhan. magaceedu waxaa la yidhahdaa TruthSeeker. Okay. Ayada hadda idinku soo dhaweynayaa boats baan idin akhrinaysaa. TS. Come here.
All right. All right, hello. Assalamu alaikum. I hail from the west of London. I go by the stage name of TruthSeeker. I do spoken word poetry, so I'm up for 2 acts tonight. I hope you guys like my stuff. The first one's called Unheard Voices. Actually, sorry. I'm going to change it. I'm going to do another one. It's called DC. The light is in my eyes, by the way. Too much light. I can't see no one. All right. Bismillah. All right, Bismillah. In the name of the most merciful, the most beneficent, I begin. You look and you stare because you don't see my hairpin? Why then do you feel the need to tell me about myself? If only you'd listen, I'd tell you about myself. Do you really want to listen? Oh, you can see, I can let myself be, but you are slave to male criterion. 2 for the price of 1, easy come, easy go. What a bargain. Oh, you weren't expecting. Gordon Bennett, she quite mouthy, isn't she? Now you want to listen. Yeah, that's right, I'll talk and you listen for once. Selective knowledge has another word, ignorance. Note, I speak perfect English. And petit peu de français aussi. Your girl TS is bilingual, no need to speak so slowly. We pray 5 times a day, from dawn to the sunsets. No, not the sun, where page 3 is the only page their eyes sets. Liberation, is that not what your suffragettes fought for? Not quite there, are we? Our cover full of Allah's pleasure, not exposed to fulfill some strange man's chapter. Oppression, you say. If only you'd open your eyes to the billboards of the walkway. Need your glass above. Do you see what is above? Do you see your value? Need I continue?